Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be cooking a one-pot curried saltfish, and my ingredients are pumpkin, carrots, string beans, tomato, cabbage, sweet corn, spinach, sweet pepper, onions, scallion, garlic, butter bean. Let's start cooking. In my pot I had some oil heated. I have here onion, scallion, garlic, and thyme. I'm sauteing them. Then I will add a tablespoon of curry. Then I will add my saltfish, cook and debone. All the bones are out. We'll add some carrots, some pumpkin, nice pumpkin, some tomato, diced tomato, some cabbage, some sweet corn, some spinach, some sweet pepper, some string beans, and some butter bean. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Then I will add about 2 cups of water. And this will cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, I will have a look now. And I'm also going to taste it. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I will add a piece of unsalted butter. And then I will add a cup and a half of rice. I already washed my rice. And I will also add a green pepper just for flavor. I will just add a little adobo, just a little. Okay, I will cover and let steam. I will turn my fire very low. In the next 15 minutes, I will have a look. Okay, I'm taking a look at the rice now. Looking very good. I'm going to remove the pepper. To make a one-pot meal, you can use any meat you want. Any leftover meat you have, you can use it. And I'm going to taste the rice now. I'm going to taste. Need another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. After roughly half an hour, my rice is ready and ready to be shared. After almost half an hour, my pot is now ready and I'm sharing. Okay, I hope you enjoy this one pot meal. Simple and delicious.